I do the car wash on this Lexus. So today I use this machine to wash my car, and this one I bought from Amazon around like $120. And for safety car wash, you could use 1200 psi to 1900 psi, and this one is 1700. And this chemical guy I bought from Amazon over around like $25-30 for the big size. And this one I bought from Walmart around $8. And also I buy this one, the machine, and they come with this one, and this one doesn't work for snow foam, and I have to buy this one separately from Amazon, $10. I'm not sure, and you could adjust from the tip right here. So today I try to wash the chemical guy on the half of my car from the driver side, and McQuay from the passenger side, half of the car. Let's see how is it. And fill up the soap about this much and add in hot water. On the side, I do the chemical guys soap. So the second half I will do McQuay on the passenger side. And after that we just wait about 10 minutes and we rinse with water. The machine saves a lot of water. Like you could use in 1 minute only use 1.5 gallon of water. If you use a regular hole like this, 1 minute take about 7 gallon of water. So right now we're done with the car wash. So I mentioned earlier we have half side on the McGuire and the other half is chemical guy. I'm not sure exactly the difference, but from my own eye I could tell they have see more water debris on this side, and this one doesn't. So how I feel, I think it's the same. So you find out yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.